welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. I make videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so you guys should definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you won't miss one of my videos. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I organize my 2018 agenda. And I have gotten so many requests to do this video, so I thought it'd be fun. I have this really sparkly agenda that I got at HomeGoods. I'll try to find a similar agenda down below, but honestly I don't know if I'll be able to find it just because HomeGoods is like a hit or miss and you can never, they like don't have a website and stuff, you know what I mean? But I found this agenda and I thought it'd be perfect for me because it is gold sparkles, and you guys know how much I love glitter and gold. And I just added this hot pink monogram, which I'll have the monogram shop that I got this from listed down below as well. And I love it. It's one of those like thinner notebooks and everything. It's very bendable and I like it. I used to get a Lily agenda every year, but like last year I was just kind of like, I'm not really sure if I'm feeling this, just because I had it for like 4 years in a row. Then I tried the Day Designer and I really liked it, but it was a little too bulky for me. It was like this big, which I really love that agenda. If you guys want to see that, I have a video all about that. But I just wanted something thin and something simple, so I don't know, I'll probably end up switching like halfway through the year. I'm kind of like one of those people, but I'll probably end up going back to a Lily agenda next year and stuff. It was just like a nice needed like little break in between. But I really like this planner. It's very simple and I just love how thin it is. It fits into all my purses, which is awesome, and it's just like a great thing. But I do color coordinate my planner, so I'm going to show you guys how I do that, and it's going to be a really simple video, but I think it's very helpful and a lot of you guys have been asking for it. And it has like this gold marble inside. I'm not really sure if I'm just going to keep this here or I might like put like a quote on it or something. I don't know. I feel like that'd be fun. And then it says 2018 weekly agenda. Might add some stickers or something. I'm not really sure. Again, still the beginning of the year. And then it says, please return to, and it says it right there. And I haven't filled this out just because I'm filming this video and I do not want to share my address on the internet. But I have my first monthly spread all planned out, and if you guys have seen my other agenda videos, it's kind of similar to this. It just is what works best for me. So I have my key over here. So I use the green marker type pen for holiday, and that is actually one of these super tip markers from Crayola. I've noticed these don't really bleed through the page too much. If you can tell from this side, it kind of does, but not like, you guys can't even tell. So I really like these markers and they're super inexpensive. You can find them at like Target or anywhere really that sells Crayola, which is awesome. So I just highlight any holiday. So I had New Year's Day, the day after New Year's, and then Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And then I use my Papermate Flair pens a ton. I love these. Again, these don't really bleed through the page too much. And I use this purple one for all Kellyprepster related stuff. So I have my videos that I posted, my filming days, when I do photo shoots, stuff like that. Just for an example. And I only went up to the current date because I didn't want you guys to get any sneak peeks of what's coming. Then I use this like light pink super tips Crayola marker and I cross off anything that I've done, kind of like a highlighter, so you guys can tell in this like I crossed it off, so it's just like done, check mark. And then I use my green Papermate Flair pen and I write down any giveaways that I might be doing. So I have my sticker giveaways. Again, if you are new to my channel, definitely check out my Instagram. It's just like Kellyprepster. I do weekly sticker giveaway, and I just gave away this super cute Ohio Vineyard Vines whale sticker, which is so much fun. So you guys should definitely check that out. All you have to do is follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's very simple. But so I have those, and I'll probably start another one of these on the 18th, so stay tuned for that if you guys are following me on Instagram. Then I use the blue Papermate Flair pen to write down any appointments / like social outings that I have to go to or like want to go to with my friends and stuff. So I just have like mall and dinner because I went out with my cousins, and then I have my hair appointment listed, and I just like to write those down with the times and everything. And then I use this pink pen, and it's a 1.6, so it's kind of a thicker, bolder pen, which I really like. I feel like I can write really well, and I write down any of my Orange Theory gym classes, and I'm trying to go to Orange Theory at least 5 times a week, so I write it with the time at the top of the day just because that's like my main like thing I want to get done every day. Then I have my pink Papermate Flair pen, which is a little bit darker than that, if you guys can tell. I love this color scheme that I have going on, and I use this to write down my bikini body glide workouts, which I am doing. I'll have more info down below if you want to check that out, but it's a 12-week fitness program. I've done it before, and then I've done it like again, but never completed it. I'm like, this is gonna be my year, I'm gonna do it. And I'm on week 3 currently, which is so exciting, but I just write down when I'm gonna do it. I only do the main like 3 workouts because I do Orange Theory 5 days a week, so it's a lot, but I really like it, so I just write that down underneath my Orange Theory, and then I use this black Papermate pen to write my to-dos, which is like FaceTime, post office. It's pretty simple, but I really like it because it's like easy and colorful to read, and you just kind of look for the color you're looking for. And I keep all my markers that I use in this really cute like pouch that I got from Heartstrings Monogramming, which is out of business, but I'm sure you can find something similar to this on Marley Lily or Etsy. But I just keep all my like markers and stuff in there, and it's very handy. And I recently got into bullet journaling as well, so this has all my like crafting stuff that I like bring around with me. So then I have this little bookmark sticker thing that I have on the sticker pack that I got from Michael's, and I put one of these right here just kind of as like a page reference, so when it's closed you just flip and that takes you to the main spread. And then it has one of these like built-in bookmarks, which is awesome. They're my favorite, and it takes you to the weekly spread. And I tried to keep up with the same color coordination because I feel like that's really helpful, and I did that with all my Lily agendas. Of course, if you do color coordinate your agenda, it takes a while to get used to it because you like are used to just writing with one marker like all of it down, so it does take a little longer, but it's worth it because it's so organized. So I put on a little sticker, and it was a plain sticker, and I just wrote "Yes you can," and that's what the sticker looked like originally. And I really like having like a little motivational quote on each thing. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I'm huge into motivational quotes. They just inspire me and like keep me going, I guess. So yesterday was Monday the 15th. I'm filming this on the 16th, and tomorrow this video is going to go up on the 17th on Wednesday. So yesterday I just had my 2 workouts, and I crossed them off in pink when I was done with them. I had a small to-do list, which is in black, which is emails, post to Instagram, go to the post office, my sticker giveaway, end it, so I have to pick the winner. And then like today was my workout. It's a filming day. I have to edit and upload and post to Instagram. It changes, but I like try to keep it so like YouTube and Kellyprepster stuff is purple, workouts are pink, and my to-do list is green. And then what I really like, and I found this idea off of my day designer, and I just like this agenda obviously didn't have it, so I just wrote it in myself. And they always offered a little section of writing what you're grateful for, which I thought was so cool. I think it's really important to take a moment out of your day to write something down that you're grateful for. So I wrote on each little corner of the page in blue, today I'm grateful for ... and each day I fill it out. And like yesterday I wrote another snow day with a little snowman because we had another snow day, which was super fun. But that is just how I organize my agenda. Super simple, super easy, but I think it's very helpful, and it really keeps me organized. And I seriously love this agenda. I love how simple it is, but again, I love the Lily Pulitzer agendas. I love the day designer. It's just I like to change it up. I'm like one of those people, I'm like, I need a change. So I really like this agenda. I'll try to find something similar to it for you guys down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.